Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to keep your Amazon Prime Video content even after canceling your Amazon Prime subscription. While your Prime membership gives you access to Amazon Video, once it's canceled, you may lose access to some of your content. But don't worry, we'll cover some methods to retain your favorite videos. Let's dive in. 1. Buy or rent movies and TV shows. If you want to keep specific content even after your Amazon Prime membership ends, you'll need to buy or rent the movies or TV shows you're interested in. How to buy or rent. Sign in to Amazon. Go to the Amazon website or the Prime Video app. Find the movie/show. Search for the content you want to keep. Buy or rent. Instead of streaming as part of Prime, you'll see options to purchase or rent the video. Once you buy, it's yours to keep, even without a Prime subscription. Pro tip: once you purchase a video, it's available to you permanently in your Amazon library, and you can watch it anytime, regardless of your membership status. 2. Download videos for offline viewing. Amazon Prime Video allows you to download content for offline viewing while you still have an active Prime subscription. If you want to keep those downloads, you need to download them before canceling your Prime subscription. How to download. Open the Prime Video app. On your smartphone or tablet, open the Amazon Prime Video app. Choose Content. Search for the movies or shows you want to download. Download. Tap the download icon next to the video to save it on your device. Watch offline. You can watch your downloaded videos even after canceling your Prime subscription, as long as you haven't deleted them from your device. Note: downloads have an expiration period and may require reauthorization if you remain without a Prime membership for an extended time. 3. Use third-party tools to save content. If you want to save Amazon Prime Video content permanently, even after canceling your subscription, you can use third-party tools like StreamFab Amazon Downloader to download videos as MP4 files. These tools bypass Amazon's restrictions and let you save videos in a regular format that can be played on any device. How to use StreamFab Amazon Downloader. Install StreamFab. Download and install StreamFab Amazon Downloader on your PC or Mac. Log in to Amazon. Open the app and sign in to your Amazon account. Download content. Find the videos you want to save, choose the quality, HD, 4K, and click Download. Save as MP4. StreamFab downloads the content in MP4 format, which can be stored and played on any device. Transfer to external storage. Once downloaded, you can move the files to an external hard drive or USB drive for backup. Note: this method is only available through third-party software, and it's essential to ensure you comply with copyright laws and terms of service. 4. Consider Amazon Video's Keep Forever titles. Some Amazon videos are offered under the Keep Forever or Purchase and Own option, meaning you can buy them, and they'll remain in your library indefinitely. These videos are not tied to your Prime subscription and will stay available to you even after you cancel. Conclusion: if you cancel your Amazon Prime subscription, you can still keep access to your favorite content by either buying or renting videos, downloading content while your subscription is active, or using third-party tools like StreamFab to save videos in MP4 format. These methods ensure that you won't lose your purchased or downloaded content when your subscription ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.